Hey y'all, it's Virginia. I want to share with you a tip today to help control the amount of oil in your cooking. Now, I've been paying a lot of attention to it lately because I've been following Weight Watchers and trying to lose some weight that I've put on in the past couple years, and I'm ready to lighten up, y'all, again. So the deal is that when you go to free pour oil, you may think, oh, that's a teaspoon, or oh, that's a tablespoon. And I can guarantee you that if you were to measure the amount of oil that's in that skillet, it's very likely that it's going to be more than a teaspoon or more than a tablespoon. And the thing to consider is that all oil, canola oil, olive oil, whatever kind of oil you use, it's all about 100 calories a tablespoon. So it can really add up quick. And me, following Weight Watchers, I know that a teaspoon of oil is 1 point. And I am really pretty precious with those points. Now you think you can use the nonstick spray, the bottles of nonstick spray, and those can be great. But frankly, I want it to taste good. And sometimes that nonstick spray, it's just not enough oil in the skillet, and I need some actual oil. So what's a girl to do? What I've done, what I do is I have a squirt bottle, and I know that 2 squirts of this squirt bottle, this particular squirt bottle, is a half a teaspoon of oil. So when I buy my oil, and I usually use canola oil, when I buy my oil, I transfer it directly from the bottle to my squirt bottle, and then I put it beside my stovetop, and it's ready to go. So if you want to control your oil, give it a try. Buy yourself a squirt bottle, transfer the oil to the squirt bottle, measure how many squirts it takes to make a teaspoon, a half teaspoon, a tablespoon, however you want to do it. And you can reduce the amount of oil that you're using in your cooking. Thank you so much for watching today. Hope you give it a try. Bon appetit, y'all.